Welcome to the Gyaniketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava. In this video, I am sharing content related to the iterative statements in Python. Iterative statements, the statements that keep repeating themselves as long as given condition is true are called the iterative statements. That means it repeats set of statements certain number of times according to the given condition to achieve the result. That is called iterative statement. It is also called looping statement or the repetitive statements. As soon as the condition becomes wrong, false, the loop terminates. An iterative statement is based on three values. A start value, that is also called the initial value. A test condition, that means the given condition. Given a certain number of times, it has to be repeated. And a step value may be increment or decrement. That means in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. Every loop works with the help of variable known as control variable. The initial value assigned to the control variable at the beginning of the loop, and then the final value given, and according to that step value of the control variable is defined either in increasing or decreasing order. When we talk about the iterative statements, this is of two types, for and while. For loop. The for loop is used when the loop body knows how many times it has to be repeated. That means the certain number of times. The working of for loop is based on various operators and the function. This is the syntax of for loop. For variable, this variable is also called the control variable. In range, it checks the given number within the range. Initial value, from where it has to be start. Final value, a range where till it has to be calculate. And the step value, if you don't give any value, it increase by 1. And if you write 2 or 3 or 4 or any other number, so it will increase with the given number of time. It may be positive or negative. If it will be negative, then the initial value should be greater than the final value. Otherwise, initial value should be less than final value in the normal case. Now, while loop. While loop is the simplest of all looping structure. This loop can be applied to a program where the number of iterations is not known beforehand. That means how many times it has to repeat it doesn't know. The while loop keeps on executing the block of statement as long as the specified test condition evaluates to true. There are 4 components of while loop. Initialization. It is used to assign an initial value to the loop control variable. Next, condition. The statement checks whether the loop body will be further executed or not. The loop keeps executing till the condition or the text expression is true. When it becomes false, loop terminates and displays the output. Loop body. It contains the set of statements that are required to iterate or repeat. And the loop body, that means it contains the set of statement that has to repeat it certain number of times, given number of times. And a step value, this statement keeps updating the loop control variable so that final value is achieved and the loop terminates. This is the syntax of the while loop. First we initialize the value, then we check the condition, then the loop body, the statement has to be repeated, and updation, that means increasing or increment or decrement. Thank you.